So we have those strawberries. It's just fresh from our garden. Ayan siya, oh. Marami pa kaming iha-harvest. And yet, we still have 4 weeks more to go. Maglalaps na yung aming visa dito sa garden na to. Meaning, magre-reapply kami kung mabibigyan ulit kami ng islat, magtatanim ulit kami. Pero kung hindi, panibago siguro. Ayan siya. Okay, meron pa, marami pa siya, oh. So tomorrow maybe we have 5 to 6 pieces to be harvest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. At meron pa dun sa kabila.